Hello, I am Piyush Gupta from Setpa Infotech Private Limited. I am an embedded trainer in this company. Today I am going to tell you about a project laptop controlled robo mouse. You must be wondering that what is this mouse? This is my small bot. I have given this bot a name robo mouse. Okay. Now let's see what we will discuss in this project. This is my robo mouse, small robo mouse. We will discuss about some topics, how it works, explanation of project by a block diagram, different electronic modules of this mouse, how it works. First of all, how it works. The basic idea of this project is to transmit some control signals from a laptop or desktop to the receiver section, which is used to control the basic operations of mouse or robot. For example, move forward, move backward, move left, right, or stop. First of all, I want to tell you about my project is divided into two sections. One is transmitter section, this is transmitter section, and one is receiver section. Transmitter section. In transmitter section, we have a laptop. The transmitter section, we have desktop or laptop. We can add anything, laptop or desktop, by which we are giving some data to microcontroller via a serial cable. The microcontroller is responsible for checking the pressed keys in laptop and then giving output to RF encoder according to the key is pressed in laptop. Which key we are supposed to press in laptop and what are the output of microcontroller, that I will show you in next slide. This RF encoder encodes the data and transmit it via RF transmitter module. This is RF transmitter module. This is antenna, and now it start transmitting. Okay, the data I am giving to this microcontroller. Actions, these are keyboard keys, and this is microcontroller. If we want to make our robo mouse move forward, then we have to press W, S for backward, A for left, D for right, and space for stop. If we press any keys, then a sky value from the laptop is given to the microcontroller. Okay, I had programmed this microcontroller in such a way that whenever any key is pressed in the laptop, then a corresponding code is transmitted by a RF encoder. If we press W, then 0111. If we press S, then 1011. If we press A, then 1101. If we press D, then 1110. If we press space, then 1111. If we press any key in the laptop, then these codes are transmitted by RF module. Okay, now come to the receiver section. In receiver section, we have a RF receiver module. This RF receiver module receives all the data transmitted via RF transmitter module. Okay. Now, the data is applied to RF decoder module, and this RF decoder decodes the 4-bit data and then give it to microcontroller. This microcontroller is programmed such that if any code is transmitted, then it will control the motor according to the switches pressed. If we press W, then it will control the motor so that robo mouse will move forward. If we press S, then it will control the motor such that robo mouse come backward. And accordingly A or D. If we press space, then robo mouse will stop. Now let's see the working of the mouse. Hello, now I am going to tell you about the project, the working of this project. Now let's see. Here we had two sections, one is transmitter section and one is receiver section. The receiver section is connected on my bot, or we can say my robo mouse, and the transmitter section is connected to my laptop via a serial cable. Now I would like to, firstly I would like to tell you about the components we are using here. We are using two microcontrollers. One is 89B51RD2, which is fitted on the, or we can say connected on the transmitter section, and one is 89B51 microcontroller, which is connected on the receiver section. Okay, now let's see the transmitter section. In transmitter section, this microcontroller is responsible for continuously checking the data bits coming from the laptop, and according to that data bits, transmit some data bits to the RF encoder IC. This is RF encoder IC. This is HT12E. which is capable of generating 12-bit sequence. In that 12-bit sequence, 8 bits are address bits and 4 bits are data bits. Now let's come to the receiver section. In receiver section, we had connected TWS434 RF receiver module and HT12D RF decoder IC, which is capable of decoding 12-bit sequence, which is transmitted from the transmitter section. Now this data is given to the microcontroller. This microcontroller is responsible, or we can say we had programmed this microcontroller to control the two motors according to the data received. Now let's see the total working of this project, that how this project will work. Whenever I press any key in this laptop, a 12-bit code is generated at the transmitter section. And this 12-bit code is encoded by this ST12 EIC and transmitted via TWS434 RF module. And after transmitting, this code is received by RWS434 receiver module, and according to the keys pressed or the data received, my bot will work. Now let's see the working. If I press W in this laptop, then this bot will go forward. Bot is going forward. If I press space, then it will stop. If I press S in my laptop, then it will go backward. For space, stop. If I want to turn this off, I have to use A or D switches. For A, it will go left, and for D, it will go right. I am pressing A. It is turning to right. Space, stop. D, right. W for forward. D for right. Again D for right. W forward. Space, stop. So this was the short introduction of this project. There are lots of interesting projects on what we are working on. If you want to join this, then come to SETPA. We are situated in Lucknow, Noida, Roorkee and Chandigarh. Thanks for seeing this video.